Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and tap on this info icon. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon, so more, and tap on block contact. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive incoming calls or text messages from the number, so let's tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got this subtle icon which will show us that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on unblock. And this is the way of blocking the number which we've got currently saved. If you want to, you can do it kind of manually, so the second way requires entering the settings, and it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the keypad. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now let's tap on block numbers, and here we've got our blacklist. As you can see, we can block the number from the recents and the contacts. However, this option is slightly different than the previous option because after tapping on the contacts, you will be able to mark a lot of the contacts and block them with only one click, so you do not have to do it manually. What is more, here you can simply tap on this section and add the phone number manually and tap on this plus icon. As you can see, it will be immediately applied to the blacklist. What is more, you can activate this option at the top just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. Of course, you can turn that off the same way, and if you want to unblock the number, just tap on this minus icon. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.